Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create professional advertising video using AI tools. It's specifically with ChatGPT and VEO3 inside Google Gemini. And the best part, you can do it in just a few minutes. No professional studio needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT. This is where we will generate the perfect prompt for our ad video. And for example, let's say we want to make an 8-second commercial for a detergent brand called Clean. And I will type something like this. Write me a short 8 seconds video ad prompt for detergent brand called Clean, like this. But feel free, you can write your request as you like. The more clear and detailed you are, the better the AI will understand what you want. And then ChatGPT will then give you a polished ad prompt, complete with scenes and directions like this. Like this. And after that, it's time to bring it to life with the video. So just copy the prompt. And next, just head over to Google Gemini. And next, just enable the video mode with VEO3. Just tap on tools, this one. And then just tap on create video with VEO3. And then just paste in the prompt you got from ChatGPT. Like this. And after that, just simply click generate, this one. And then just wait a few minutes. And Gemini will create your professional looking ad video for you, complete with actors, animations, and even a product shot. And okay, like this, your video is ready. So let's play the video.
Oh no, my favorite shirt!
Don't worry, I'll handle it. Clean, your family's trusted choice.
Oh no, my favorite
Like this. And okay, like this, the generated video turned out great even with a tiny typo, but it's still very impressive with what AI can do. That's it. And okay, that's how you can make professional ads using ChatGPT and VEO3 in Google Gemini in just a few minutes. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!